Good day again, participants. So we are now here in our final part of our action research, which is the abstract. Okay, again, so what is an abstract? So abstract is the summary of your research paper. Okay, so it consists of 150 to 250 words. Okay, so if you are a researcher already, if you finish your MA or doctorate, so I think you're familiar with abstract. Okay, so usually uh, this appears in the uh, third page in your research paper. Okay, so we have here now the 8 elements needed in making your action research abstract. Okay, so the first sentence is the purpose of the study. Second is the research design. Third is the research locale. Fourth, number of participants and sampling technique. Fifth, the sources of your data. Then six, data analysis tools. So it will be graph, tables, narrative, thematic analysis. Then seventh is the results, the baseline, the during, and the post observation. And the eighth is the recommendation or your reflection. Okay, so I will present here an example of a research abstract. Okay, so as you can see on your screen, this is an example of research abstract. So I have here already have the comments. Okay, so in this abstract, so I will just read. The main objective of this study was to hone the computer literacy skills of senior high school students of Maa National High School through online tutorial sessions. The action research design is used to investigate the computer literacy skills of 20 senior high school students. The adapted computer literacy rubric was utilized to assess the computer literacy problems concerning the skills such as applications, content, time management, input, and output. There were 20 identified students which was selected through purposive sampling technique who participated in a series of online tutorial sessions on computer literacy and subjected to in-depth interview and focus group discussions. Data from in-depth interview and focus discussions were utilized to obtain the necessary information to answer the inquiry of the study. Open coding was used to reduce the responses of the participants. Then thematic analysis was utilized to categorize the responses of the participants that would give meaning to the main inquiry of this research paper. Sadly, during the in-depth interview, the poor computer literacy skills was attributed to unfamiliarity in using computer applications like the productivity tools, which was very essential in doing their reports and projects. Thus, the study revealed that the students' computer literacy skills can be improved using online tutorial sessions. Okay, so this is an example of abstract or the summary of a research paper. Okay, so let's identify one by one the elements. Okay, the purpose of study here is already highlighted. Okay, as you can see in this sentence here. Okay, that is the purpose of the study. Second is the research design. So you can find that in the sentence. Okay, so just screenshot this for your guide. And the third is the research locale. Okay, so the study is conducted in Maa National High School. Okay, and the fourth is the sampling technique and the number of participants. So it's already identified here. In this study, we use 20 students. And the sampling technique used is the purposive sampling technique. Okay. And next is, the fifth one is the source of data. So the data is through interview. Okay. Then the 6 is, so what is the data analysis tools? So it is open coding and the thematic analysis is used in the study. So you already learned that in our discussion of results. So how to do the data analysis. Okay. Next is so the 7th is the results. So what is the result of the study? So in here, the result of the in-depth interview revealed that so the poor computer literacy skills was attributed to the unfamiliarity in using computer applications, okay, like productivity tools, okay? And lastly, your recommendation or reflection, okay? So in this line here, highlighted in red, okay? I hope you get all the parts of the abstract, okay? So for your activity, so I want you to make your abstract based on your proposed action research. Okay? So you have here your guide already. Okay? So you can just change the words that is not suited in your study. Okay? So if you have questions, you can write it in our chat box, and or you can have a personal message to me. Okay? So I hope you enjoy your activity in making abstract. Okay? So thank you and God bless.